Today I'm going to show you a workflow that allows you to add much more realistic human motion to your AI videos. This is perfect if you have a character doing an action that is difficult for AI to generate from scratch. We're going to take the motion from a real video clip and transfer it onto a completely different AI character. So you keep the movement, timing and energy from the original clip, but you can change the character, the object, and the entire environment. First, we need to create our character reference. I'm using GPT Image 2 inside the ChatGPT API playground, but you can use any image model you prefer. The goal is to create a clear character sheet with both your character and the object they will use in the final scene. In my case, I created this pirate grandmother together with her weapon. This is important because later Seedance needs to understand what the character looks like, what she is wearing, and what object belongs to her. I'll leave all of the prompts I use in this video in the description below. Next, we need a motion reference clip. You can use footage you recorded yourself, stock footage, or any clip you want. Just cut out the exact movement you want in your editor and make sure to keep your reference clip at 15 seconds or less, because that is currently the maximum duration for Seedance. Now we need to turn this clip into a depth map. For that, I'm using Depth Anything Video on file.ai. A depth map removes most of the visual information from the original clip, like the performer's face, clothing, background, lighting, and motion blur. It keeps the important part, the spatial structure of the movement. This gives Seedance cleaner guidance for the body movement, the timing, and the camera perspective, without carrying over the original performer or environment. In my case, file.ai costs around 4 cents per second of video, but if you want to do this for free, you can also vibe code a simple depth map extractor yourself. You can use tools like Anti-Gravity, Codex, or Cloud Code to build it. It is not that difficult, but file.ai is the quickest option if you do not want to set it up yourself. So upload your 10-second clip into Depth Anything Video and run it. Once it is done, download the output. It is the same clip but with the depth map applied. This is the motion reference we will use for the final video. The last thing we need is a location reference. For this example, I created this image of the open upper deck of a pirate ship. You can create your environment image in any image tool you prefer. So now we have 3 things ready: the depth map video for the motion, the pirate grandmother character sheet with her weapon, the pirate ship environment image. Now go over to Dreamina and select Seedance. Upload the depth map video, the character sheet, and the environment image. I'm generating this in 1080p. You can use 720p first if you want to test the motion and save credits, then generate the final version in 1080p once you're happy with it. Then write your prompt and tag the correct files inside Dreamina. The depth map is the motion reference, the pirate grandmother is the character reference, and the pirate ship is the location reference. I'll leave the full prompt along with every other prompt from this video in the description below. And this is the final result. We took the movement from the original martial arts clip, but changed the performer into a pirate grandmother, changed the object, and placed her in a completely different environment. This is a useful workflow for AI filmmaking because it gives you more control over movement and performance. If you want more AI filmmaking tutorials and workflows like this, subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.